Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
SP ka East Coast Hills District uba Vivex aim habakren bat kinong tho khubor henne kasngi ulayathu bana kaliang ki bahayeng jong ki Arngut ki balaja ki Arngut ki MP ki lawan Nakajilla Madhya Pradesh bat u Chief Secretary ki Lashong banyakren halor ka jingwat ya kini ki Arngut ki balaja Nakaliang uba Vivex aim ulayathu baha ka jingelang nakaliang ka jong u ula jubab ya ka ka bakatanat Pulit kalale bat kisin jam ki bakatanat kalale banwat ya ki shijur ki balaja Sohra ulayathu bana kaliang katanat Pulit bat ki SDRF Ryngkat kajingetri lang bat ki Shnong bapher kidang pelong ya kajingwat ya kini ki shijur ki balaja.
For the meeting today with the Honorable CS and also the two MPs who will come.
Yes, the Deputy Inspector General and myself had attended on behalf of the police, and along with the two MPs and the family members of these two people, along with others. And yes, they had a lot of queries for us. I had answered to all the queries, what we are doing and what we found out and what is our way ahead, what steps need to be done. And though I can understand the family is very emotionally charged right now about that, but we have to understand one thing is though all these teams are there, but the most important thing is the villagers who are helping us right now. I'm telling you, a lot of villagers, VDPs, the headmen from those places are really helping us, and I want them to continue to help us because they've been helping us all through, the people from those villages. So I've told them that it's the villagers who really can help us. So we have to continue to get that cooperation from them.